So today we'll be looking at banners in your terminal, how you can launch, when you launch your terminal or restart your bash or Z shell. The default usually let it have a banner as custom text. So like you can see let me go to full screen. Control Shift. Yeah, that's more like it. So let's start our bash. Or to restart your terminal, you don't have to close your terminal and open it again. Just type bash to those who are using bash. To the new Z shell users, you can just type the Z shell and there you are done. So how can we put these banners so that when you start your terminal in whichever shell you're running on, so that you can always, it just shows every time you start. So let's go straight to it. All these are stored in a IRC file depending on the type of the shell you're using. Like here we are using the Z shell file, Z shell. So when you do that, there it is. So let's look for the configuration file of it. So do a ls switch. So we look for this for the Z shell. All the configuration files are here or in the etc.zrc. Let's cut into this so that you can see what's here. Still getting used to using the Z shell rc. Yeah, as you can see, most of the things are here for the Z shell configuration. Not really most of them. The syntax highlighting and all that, the aliases, yeah, the auto suggestions, this like when I do an ls, you can see it's already like auto suggesting for me. I finish with the switch al. So like, but what we're looking for is the banners. First of all, what do we really need to install? Let's do an apt install Linux. So that's one Linux logo. So logo apt install. So for the Z shell, when you do an apt, when it comes to that call, that means that's a command. Install Linux logo. Yeah, already installed it. The next thing you need to install apt install the neo fetch. Yeah. Now the next thing for the custom text, we do an apt install Figlet. This will apply in both the shells we'll be using. So let's vim into the .z shell rc file. So here is where you can add them. Like I've already added Linux logo, NeoFetch, Figlet, Multiplicity, and the date. Let's try for deleting and delete. Let's leave the Linux logo, escape, right Q. So when you do a Z shell, we only have the Linux log. As you can see here, we started our Z shell here. We have Smokelicity that we haven't set, the Linux logo. So when we come here again, we do a Linux logo, and this for the date or time, right? So for that, we can cd into etc. Here we do an ls, so let's switch all. So with here we look for the Z shell file, of which we can see it's a directory. Read, write, execute, read. Oh, only the last person can execute. These are the file permissions to the Z shell. So let's cd into Z shell. Let's do an ls. Seeing user recommendations, all that. But what we are really interested in is the Z shell RC. So let's vim into the Z shell RC. Yeah, so as you can, from our previous, when we previously restarted our shell, we saw we started with the Smokelicity text, then the Linux logo, date and time. So do an insert to delete all that. Let's delete all this. That means when you, I'd prefer you use the Z shell RC file in a home directory, but not in the etc bar, because there you can, it's easier for you to put things there. But when you put it, it's really easy for you to mess up with the configurations of your shell. So we've just removed everything here. There's nothing on this Z shell RC. So let's Q. So let's do a Z shell again. Yeah, as you can see, you only have this in the CD. Let's go back to root. So yeah, there we are. These are the Linux logo. This is the, let's do a vim into Z shell RC. Here it is. They only have the Linux logo. That's for the, that's for the Z shell. Escape.q. Thank you. Now let's switch it to bash, the bash users. So you can see here we have Smokelicity, this for the Figlet, Linux logo, time, date, calendar. So let's vim into this as you can see here they are for the calendar. Let's do an insert. Yeah, that's it. Let's remove all of that. Let's do bash again. As you can see here, you only have the Smokelicity. So where this one stored, vim etc. Sorry, the bash dot bash. I'll see if I'm right. Yeah. So here you have the Smokelicity. Let's do an insert to allow us to edit. Control V to unmute. So when you do, let's add the Figlet. You can change the text to anything like fig. Let's do what? Let's write love Debian. Yeah, will it really work, or it will need, I think this will need, since it has the spaces, we'll need something like this. Yeah, so let's escape. Let's restart the bash. As you can see here, we have I love Debian, so let's do a reverse search. Yeah, that one. iPhone search to allow us to edit. Here we can add the new feature. And the bottom here we can add the Linux logo. Yeah, that's it. Let's escape, right, Q, quit. Let's restart our bash. Yeah, that's it. So well, most of the time, yeah, let's close it up. Let's restart our terminal again. The new fetch, just in that particular order, I love Debian. It runs the new fetch. Then we have our Debian logo. That's it for today. See you in my next video.